Hi everybody, let's start reading. The book is called The Baby and I. Me and Baby like to play. It is fun playing with Baby. Sorry guys, me and Baby like to play. It is fun playing with Baby. I like Baby. It is fun, but one day, Baby did not want to play. Well, I got sad, so I just left to get some candy. He liked candy, right? So I went and he did not like it. Oh, yeah, he lost his teddy bear. He did not know that I bought him a teddy bear. Here you go, baby. I like when he is happy. Okay. Why is the baby sad? Yes. Because he lost his teddy. Okay? Why did the baby get happy? Because he got a new teddy. Okay. That's all for today. Bye.